Bonsoir les amis, this is Llyane Stanfield, your hostess, and you can find me at parisianfrench.com. I was wondering if you ever had a problem using the words qui and que. Yes, of course, they are the your usual question words for questions. Qui means who and que means what. So when you ask qui something, a question, it expects the answer to be a person, and que expects the answer to refer to a thing, an object. So, but now these words qui and que, I was wondering if when you make conversation, if you have any problems understanding how the natives are using these words, or maybe you do know how they use these words, because some of you are not beginners, so you do know, but maybe they don't come naturally to you when you make your conversation, when you make your sentences. So today I will give you a few sentences, and I'm going to add them as a, I don't know, transcript. This is new because I'm doing the video here in the group, but maybe I'm gonna put it in. You have to let me know what you prefer. Do you want me to put it in the description or in the comments below? Because I can do either way. So I will give you the transcript of this the French part of this video, so don't worry about that. But do follow me and see what you hear. It's really important to see what you actually hear, okay? So I'm going to give you the sentences now. Remember, you can just take them and go. Change it a little bit for your context, and really the sentences are ready to use. So, qui est-ce qui est là? Qui est-ce qui est là? Who is there? C'est Jean. It's Jean. Qui est-ce que j'entends? Who do I hear? Who is that I hear? Qui est-ce que j'entends? J'entends Marie. Elle chante. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? What are you doing? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? What is that you do? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Je lis un livre. Qu'est-ce qui est tombé? What is that? Qu'est-ce qui est tombé? Yes, what is that fell? C'est le verre qui est tombé. Okay? So I'm going to read again. I'm going to give you again these sentences. Only in French. Qui est-ce qui est là? C'est Jean. Qui est-ce que j'entends? C'est Marie. Elle chante. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Je lis un livre. Qu'est-ce qui est tombé? C'est le verre qui est tombé. So this is what I have. Do not forget that on Sunday we have Français Sunday, and in order for you to find out time and place, just go to parisianfrench.com. You are going to receive the newsletter, and this is the only way for me to let you know exactly the links and everything. So that's what we have for today, and I'll see you tomorrow on Friday. Don't ever give up on your dream to become bilingual. Learn to speak Parisian French on Skype and travel the world. Merci beaucoup et à demain. Au revoir.